Okay, so today I have a project that I need to work on before it gets any colder and especially before it snows, and that's to get my car in the garage. I've accumulated a lot of extra things over the last year and over the summer, and it's time to organize and it's time to make space to fit the car in the garage. So let's get started and I'll show you what we need to do. Okay, so a lot of extra things in the garage right now. We've got a trash can, stroller, electric car for the kids, the lawnmower of course, and just lots of extra things. So we have some organizing to do. So what I want to do today is I want to actually build some shelves up here. There's going to be a shelf that runs along this whole wall here and in the corner and over to this window. And so I've bought some plywood. I've also got these brackets here. They're pretty heavy duty. So the plywood to build the shelf is over at my dad's house, so I'll walk over there right now and we'll cut it nice and then we'll bring it over here and put it up. So we actually thought we had a 10 foot board here, but we actually got an 8-foot board. And so we had this all measured out to work with 10 feet. And so now what we need to do is move probably this bracket over here or add another bracket onto this stud. And then we'll be able to add an extra piece into the corner, and then we can put this side up here. So always, of course, measure twice before you start. It's just a little bit extra work, not too big a deal. Okay, we are done. They are up and they look nice and I'm super happy with them. It's gonna be so nice to move all this stuff. These boxes, they're all going up here. And it's gonna be great. And I'm gonna be able to get my car in the garage and I want to scrape ice off the windshield in the morning. So good. So I think it turned out really good. Looks really nice. Didn't cost very much either. The things that cost the most were these brackets. The brackets were 10 bucks a piece, but they're heavy duty, they're quality. And then the sheet of plywood there was probably 30 bucks or so. There's 8 brackets, so you're into this for under 120 bucks. Not a big deal, and you get more storage space in the garage. So now I'll go ahead and put the rest of the stuff up there, and we'll get the car in the garage. Okay, here's just about the finished product. We got the electric truck kid's toy under there. Lawnmower is gonna fit under there too. I didn't fold the handle down yet just because I'm gonna use it this afternoon. I just wanted to show you that it's gonna fit in there. And everything's up on the shelves and it's so nice to have that up there. I can't tell you. And then everything's up against the wall over here. And then I still have this to organize. I can put that away later, but I just wanted to show you that everything is good to go and we're gonna be able to get both cars in here. Well, there it is. I'm super happy to have this in my garage. I've been wanting to put these shelves in here for a super long time and it's finally done and I love it. I love it. So it's nice to have more room. It's nice to be able to get both cars in the garage, like I said, for winter when it snows. I don't have to brush snow or scrape ice off the windows, and it'll be super great. So I hope that was fun to watch. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.